Let earth receive our King.
Number 1.
Let every heart prepare Him move. And every nature sing. And every nature sing. And heaven and heaven and nature. Magsaya at magkakinilang na.
Bawasan
Tanghari ng lahat, tanghari ng lahat. Kaya't ating buksan, kaya't nating buksan ang pinto ng ating pagmamahal. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride the wonders of His grace. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride the wonders of His grace. Hey, we wish you, we wish you,
Walang yan.
Paulit yun na. Diyan ka lang bigay ng pera. Yan na. Kanta na ano.
Merry Christmas and a happy
Side way.
Pasko na naman, ukay tuloy ng araw. Kung nagdaan, tila ba o kailan lang. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay magmahalan. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay mag-awitan. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Ang mag-ibig na gahal.
Dito.
Tayo ay magsiawit ng magagandang himig. Dahil sa Diyos ay pag-ibig ng si Kristo isilang.
The little girl
Ay katumaling nagsidalaw. At mga tita ay nagsipagando ng tanging alaw. Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay. Nang lumigaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganaan. Guiding voice and lanterns on the street. I remember the child in the manger as He sleeps. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas tree for a bright tomorrow where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love of Jesus. Let Him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In excelsis Deo,
Kami pang pangato itipitch yun.
excelsis Deo.
Feliz Navidad!